Hello everyone. I have a video topic today related to emphatic consonants in Arabic. These are four pairs of consonants that to a lot of learners of Arabic are very challenging to differentiate between because the sound is, initially we feel that it's rather similar. So a few caveats before I begin. One, I'm of course not a native speaker of Arabic of any kind, so that needs to be made clear. However, I do think there's an advantage in the sense that, I had to learn these sounds later in life, not as a child, so I have the perspective of a learner, which is perhaps useful. Okay, two, the pronunciation will be in MSA, Modern Standard Arabic, for these consonants, so we're not doing any regional variations because these consonants are pronounced differently depending on where you are, like in Gulf Arabic or Egyptian. So those two things out of the way. All right, so our first pair are going to be a pair that is similar to sort of like a T, like an English T in a word taste or tiger. So the first non-emphatic letter we can have in a word like tamr, which means dates, the fruit. And then the emphatic of the pair, talib, ta. That means student. So just to compare the two sounds again, tamr, talib, tamr, talib. So ta, ta. All right. So the second pair is going to be something similar to in English D as in dentist or date. So the regular non-emphatic one of the pair is in a word here of dajaj, which means chicken. So this is a regular d sound. And the emphatic of the pair is pronounced do, as in dabit, which means officer, like in a military. So dajaj, dabit. So the, do, the, do. You can hear the difference in the sound, and there's a difference in the location of the tongue in the mouth. Okay, the third pair, these are similar to the TH in the English word this, not the TH in the English word think. It's that's the sound. So the first sound, the first letter of the pair, the non-emphatic letter, we're going to have it in the word for corn or maize, dura. And then for nail, dofr. So dura, dofr. So the, bo, the, bo, the, bo. So again, some of these letters are pronounced differently depending on the dialect that you're in. These are for the MSA pronunciation. So especially the emphatic bo, it's pronounced a lot of different ways depending on where you are. So keep that in mind. This is just MSA. Okay. Because colloquial Arabic tends to have fewer phonemes, so a lot of letters are pronounced the same. So, for example, the TH sound, like in thalatha, for three, is sometimes pronounced like tlat, like with a T. The th is not pronounced, or it's pronounced like an S. So, anyway, the last pair of emphatics are similar to sort of an English S, as in saint or sand. So sana is year, so sana, and then sahib means friend. So so sana sahib. So hopefully the contrast between the two sounds can help a little bit. One of the things you need to be aware of is that over time, when you're working on your accent, you'll notice that the emphatic consonants, they do make a difference in the quality of the vowels of the surrounding words. So you'll hear changes to the vowels based on the fact that the consonant is emphatic or not. But that's just something you get over time with your accent. All right, thanks a lot.